Hey guys, this is Miles from Swiss Crypto Podcast, and in this video I'm gonna talk about China and its special relationship with crypto. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Before we start, a quick disclaimer as always, I'm not a financial advisor and whatever I say should not be taken as any legal tax or financial advice. Please always do your own research before you invest into anything. In this podcast, I want to talk about the special love-hate relationship that China has with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And I believe this is a very important topic that we should all know about. Most of you guys have probably heard about it, what China is doing with its crypto ban, but it's not really a crypto ban, or is it? And I'm gonna talk about exactly this. I'll segment this podcast in three different parts. First, I want to talk about China's crypto ban and what it really means. Second, I'm going to talk about the problems with mining Bitcoin or the advantages of mining Bitcoin for China. And third, I will talk a little bit about the future of China and crypto. So let's start with the first one. As most of you guys probably already heard or read somewhere in the newspapers or on Reddit, China has a crypto ban. And China bans crypto since 2013, which back then included a ban on handling Bitcoin. And they later implemented another ban concerning ICOs and domestic crypto exchanges. And this was in 2017. Because they stated that over 90% of ICOs are scams. Very interesting. But from what I know, buying crypto isn't illegal for common citizens. It's just very, very hard to get them. What's really illegal in China is the trading with cryptocurrencies. If I'm wrong on this one, I'm not pretty sure. Please state so in the comments what you think, or if you have sources, please send this to me. That would be very interesting. But I believe that it doesn't apply to the common people. What's very interesting about this crypto ban is that China has published different cryptocurrency ratings in the last years. In total, 5 different cryptocurrency ratings. And why would a country that bans cryptocurrency do such things? And I also asked this myself, and this is a very interesting question because I believe that China is not banning crypto for good. I'm pretty sure that they will make use of it. And to get back to this crypto rating very quickly, the last crypto rating was published by the China Center for Information Industry Development, the CCID, on 20th of September. For the ones that are looking at the screen, I'll have a slide here from the current rating from 20th of September 2018 of the top 15 coins that they rated. In total they rated 25. I just took a screenshot of the top 15. I don't really get what the ratings mean. This really could be just a recipe for soup because it includes some Chinese letters. I can't read Chinese, so I took this chart from bitcoin.com. If you are interested in reading up on the rating, then see the link down below in the description. So as you see, this is very, very strange for a country that is banning crypto to publish a cryptocurrency rating. Periodically, they already published 5 different ratings and they adjusted and adapted different things. This is very interesting and very strange. Now, I just want to give you a quick information about how people in China are dealing with the cryptocurrency ban. Because it's not that no one in China is really able to trade Bitcoin. That's not the case. Traders still try to overcome this ban in different ways, and I searched 3 different ways that they are using, and I'm gonna list you them very quickly. The first one is very easy. They just frequently change the domain of the crypto exchange websites. So as soon as the Chinese government bans or shuts down a crypto exchange, they just relaunch with a new domain, and this happens very, very quickly, so they can keep up the service for their customers. Second one is that a lot of people are using VPNs that are able to bypass the state firewall. This is not that easy to do, so the common citizen doesn't have access to technology like this. It's mostly like the richer ones, the richer traders, you can imagine. The third thing is that they use peer-to-peer platforms, so P2P, which do not have a single IP address or website to block. So individual users connect with each other and exchange and trade. And the beautiful thing here is that as long as the platform is decentralized, the Chinese government can take it down. This is decentralization in action, as we see here. Now I just gave you guys a quick overview over the Chinese crypto ban. Second, I want to talk about the problems with mining that China has, or the advantages that mining brings to China. In my opinion, China really destroyed the thought of decentralized Bitcoin or decentralized currency by centralizing the mining of it in mining pools. Most of you guys probably already heard about that. China has power over the majority of hash rate when it comes to Bitcoin mining. And I found a very good article on buybitcoinworldwide.com, and this is not paid advertisement. I just found this article very, very interesting and very well written. It's called Bitcoin Mining in China, written by Jordan Tuwiner, I'm not sure. Definitely check it out if you're interested in the hashing power of China and how this really is compared to other countries. I'm just gonna show you a quick graph that shows how strong China really is. But if you want to read further up on it, then please check it out. It's a very, very well written article. As I said, I have a screenshot here that shows that China owns an estimated 71%. There are sources that say 74 or even up to 80% of the hashing mining power to control Bitcoin. And as I just said, this allows China to control Bitcoin by having the power over the majority of hashing power. So they can deny transactions, they can do double spending, whatever they want. So Bitcoin really isn't that decentralized anymore, which is a shame. But this is not only a disadvantage in total. I already announced that this could be an advantage for China. And I'm going to show you why in the third part, where I want to talk about the future of China and crypto. In contrary to all the crypto ban news, I believe there will be a Chinese cryptocurrency one day, for sure. Because why else would a country that bans cryptocurrency, that doesn't allow trading cryptocurrency, do a cryptocurrency rating? That doesn't make any sense at all. And I truly believe that this could really be Bitcoin, the new cryptocurrency that China will be using. Why this, you ask? Well, I just told you that China is having power over the majority of the hashing mining power of Bitcoin. And this allows China to control the currency. As you all know, Chinese people are very controlled by their government. They get spied on every day, at every minute. The government knows exactly what they are doing, and they are also restricting access to internet platforms, etc. So Bitcoin offers the Chinese government a really good way to implement a cryptocurrency to the Chinese financial industry to keep up on the development that happens with digital currencies. So I wouldn't wonder if China one day implemented Bitcoin or allowed its citizens to use Bitcoin. It's perfect because they can control it by having all the hashing power, and they also can spy on the blockchain because it's open and they see every transaction that people in China are doing, and this really allows them to have even more control over their citizens in total. So guys, this was quite a bit longer video than usual. If you found it interesting, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to get informed when I upload a new video, and stay tuned for the next one.